Welcome everyone, this is Sam Oldham with Snow Groomers. We're going to be using our SnowMaster 48 to groom a mile-long trail that we have. It just has been torn up by riding UTVs up and down it with tracks, so it's pretty ripped up. So we're going to do a before and after up here and basically show you with our Sno-Razor plus the grooming mechanism how we're going to make it nice, perfect corduroy. So stay tuned. See here, we're actually going to be showing the before and after of this trail that we're grooming. So as you
So you guys saw the before, now look at the after we groomed it. Much better.
All right guys, now you can see here is the aftermath. So we had a bunch of ruts, a bunch of bumps. This is now taken and cut it down with the Sno-Razor, packed it down so it makes it better for next time, giving perfect corduroy, and we have a nice, good, flat surface for next time. And right now, because it's warm, the snow's gonna be a little bit warmer. So tonight when this freezes, it's gonna give us an even better base for next time it snows and a nice, good, clean surface. We've had this for 5 or 6 years, and before we would have to wait for it to snow because we'd get huge ruts in our trails, which made it harder for the machines to get up. It wasn't nearly as fun for snowboarding or sledding or skiing. We'd also get the big snow whoops as well. And so we made all sorts of homemade stuff to try to flatten the trail. We dragged a huge metal piece, and that really just resulted in us ripping all the snow off of the top of our trail and not actually doing very good at being able to cut and smash it. So we looked forever to find this SnowMaster 48 from snowgroomers.net, and boy has it changed the game for us. This is made our trail that we groom and ride on so much more fun and more safe. Our kids love it. We get perfect corduroy. We can even drag this up and down each time with the UTV so that our kids have a nice smooth area to sled and ski and snowboard on, so they feel confident. So for us, this was a huge game changer, like game changer for us. We love the snow, our families love the snow, but when you drive machines up and down the trail all the time, it tears the trails up. But this, as you can see, perfect corduroy, smashed down and cut and flat and smooth, making it for a super fun and safe trail. Guys, if you're at all interested in grooming your trails and making them more fun and also safer, go to snowgroomers.net. We did our research when we first purchased this one. This is by far the best machine out there for grooming snow. It has a blade in the front that you can get called the Sno-Razor, which cuts and trims the trail to make it a nice, good, clean surface. Then it packs it down and gives it corduroy. We have been so happy with this. In fact, we've loved it. It's, like we said before, it's been a game changer. So go check them out at snowgroomers.net. You won't be disappointed.